Elias and Mara were preparing for another busy morning when Mara noticed the old windmill standing silently.
Had been broken for years, but today, something about it seemed.
Curious about the change, they followed the familiar path across the fields to investigate.
At the windmill, they discovered that its old door was almost ready to open.
There are old metal hinges here.
With a little patience and teamwork, Elias finally freed the ancient latch. Inside, they found enormous wooden gears covered in dust, as if the windmill had been waiting for someone to repair it. Mara quickly found the problem. One old rope had snapped and stopped the entire.
Working together, they replaced the broken rope and carefully connected the old mechanism again.
The first gear moved, then another, until the forgotten windmill began to come alive. As the machinery turned again, they climbed higher to discover what the windmill had been hiding.
Behind a hidden panel, they discovered old farming plans carefully preserved for generations.
The forgotten plans revealed an ingenious irrigation system, designed to carry water from the windmill toward the farm fields. Once the windmill was running, water began flowing toward the fields, giving their crops a new source of life. The old system worked beautifully, and the farm finally had a clever way to protect its crops during dry days. By sunset, Elias and Mara had restored more than an old windmill. They had rediscovered a piece of farming wisdom that could help their farm for years to come.